KON'CHA! Hello dear viewers again. Hope you're all doing well. Japan is just about to enter rainy season. No. Anyway, today we are visiting Shimokitazawa. Shimokitazawa, or Shimokita, is a subculture hotspot where the cool kids hang. It's perfect for coffee over lunch, an absolute goldmine for vintage clothing, and has a vibing live music scene. It's hard to imagine that this place used to be a farmland surrounded by fields and forests with a river flowing through it. Shimokitazawa's north and south end are distinctly different. The north end is laid back with older establishments and trendy cafes, and the south end is commercialized and modern. Proximity-wise, Shimokita is close to central Tokyo, but transport-wise, it's a little annoying to get to, but just a little. Every visitor always leaves charmed, even on their umpteenth trip. Shimokitazawa just has a special allure to it. Inside the maze of back streets in Shimokitazawa are many, many vintage clothing stores, including some of Tokyo's best vintage boutiques, ranging between cheap to cheap but not that cheap. Shimokitazawa is another part of Tokyo that survived the fire bombings of World War II, allowing it to retain its farming village street configuration, making it pedestrian-friendly. After World War II, Shimokitazawa was one of Tokyo's most important black markets, born out of necessity due to product and food shortages. That market mentality is still here today, and is why you see so many secondhand stores. Many of these secondhand stores and traditional businesses may not be around for much longer though, because of a highway project that will put a 26-meter wide road right through the area. What will Shimokitazawa look like in a year's time? Only time will tell. Thank you so much for sticking around till the end of the video. The next time you're in Tokyo, definitely consider giving Shimokitazawa a visit. You won't regret it. Till next time, it's ciao for now.